All right, welcome back, everybody, to Welding Shop Safety Crash Course. Today, we're going to talk about eye and ear protection. Very, very important. We're heavily reliant as humans on our hearing and our eyesight. I cannot imagine going through life without being able to hear or see after having been able to. I think that would be a very difficult adjustment. We can take measures to help prevent that. Obviously, this gentleman is not taking it seriously. We do take it very seriously in the shop, and do require you to wear the proper equipment. All right. There's a saying I like in eye protection, and it is an ounce of prevention's worth a pound of cure. It is very easy to put these safety glasses on when you walk into the shop and wear them all day. That can prevent a very serious issue in you losing your eyesight or having permanent damage. I've heard the term, oh, well, I've got two eyes. I can afford to lose the eyesight in one. Well, your depth perception, your peripheral vision, there's a lot that goes into you having eyesight in both eyes. So, for that reason, always wear proper eye protection when we're in the shop. 100% of the time, you're required to have your safety glasses on in order to, protect your eyesight. We also have to protect our eyesight from the harmful UV light that's given off by the welding process, but we'll talk about that when we talk about PPE a little bit later. Okay, your eyeglasses must be ANSI Z87.1 approved. No, your eyeglasses do not count unless you have purchased prescription eyeglasses that are ANSI Z87.1 approved and have that stamp on them. If they don't, you'll have to wear safety glasses over top of them. You can, however, go to your eye doctor, get prescription glasses that are ANSI Z87.1 approved, and then you won't have to wear a pair of glasses over top of them. The ANSI Z87 makes them shatterproof and makes them OSHA compliant. Okay. This is an example of an eye injury. This is a wire out of a wire brush from a grinder. That person more than likely had to have surgery to remove that. Another gentleman who was very, very fortunate to have had on his safety glasses. I had an eye injury once, disconnected an air hose from an air compressor, did not relieve the pressure from it. That air hose then flew up around and hit me in the eye, gave me what we call a hyphema. It was a ruptured blood vessel in my eye that required me to sleep upright. I, honest to God, thought that when I opened up my eye wall was going to be split in two. It was a very, very scary moment for me. I should have been wearing my safety glasses at that point, and that would have prevented that injury. So important that we wear them even under our welding helmet, no matter the circumstances in the lab. Okay, foresight's better than no sight. So let's have the foresight to wear them so that we can keep our sight. Okay, ear protection, earplugs. Earplugs are recommended at all times. Hearing loss happens slowly over time, so you won't notice that you're doing damage to your hearing until it's too late and you can't hear me. Uh, Hearing protection is required while you're grinding. Okay, so absolutely, if you are running a grinder in the shop, you will be required to wear earplugs. However, you will see me model it. I will be wearing earplugs all day, every day while we're out in the shop because people are grinding, banging. The shop just gets generally loud and is loud enough to start to cause damage to your hearing. So I think, and most people require in a lot of manufacturing settings, that you wear your earplugs all the time. No, earbuds do not count as ear protection. All right, you have to have earplugs in, and I would certainly recommend you wearing those at all times. Okay, you'll have to be able to identify some things from this for your safety test. Ear and eye protection, very important, and we take it very seriously in the shop. We'll see you next time here for part 5.